Alright, dudes. We just got to this cave that has this huge waterfall where we're going to be exploring great waterfalls! Woo. Looking at beautiful formations. Man. Going through really tight water crawls. So sit down and stick around while we explore for you.
About 500,000 years ago, and all these flowstones are going.
Yeah. The water is always in a different channel when I come in here. Oh yeah, there's no avoiding the water today. Flowstone. Lots of flowstone. The cool thing about the flowstone is how grippy it is. Like you literally just walk straight up it most of the time. Just like this.
Seems like a spot the high school just want to go and escape reality.
That's kind of what I did with this place.
Yeah, no, that's what Katie is, man. It's great.
Yeah. It's been here since like the 80s and 90s, so most of this was spray painted.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Alright, well, we gotta head that way. The waterfall is intense. Alright, so you want to see something cool?
Oh, hello.
You ever seen a cow-sided rope?
No, I don't think so.
It's right there.
No way.
Yep.
Check this out, guys. This rope is becoming one with the rock. It's just completely covered in calcite. You look up here, you can see the actual color of the rope, and then it changes, and it looks like it's got a vein on it or something. That's so weird looking.
Strongest there is. Until it isn't.
How many kilometers do you think it takes to break that thing?
3.
Yeah.
Maybe.
You've been lucky you say it hit 4.
Yeah.
Well, I look at the bird flying out here, it looks like.
Yep. All of these formations. Swiss cheese water grater. You see the rocks being tumbled inside of that actually. Dude, come look at this. It's so slick through here. All these formations. More waterfalls.
Well, I see an arrow.
Yeah, that goes nowhere.
I figured.
I've fought up there a few times. I'll go check out the last video. No, not at all. We're getting close to the really big waterfall, but I don't think we're gonna be able to get in the room with it today.
Flying over this waterfall.
Yeah.
Like a madman. You go through the trickle?
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Rolling, man.
All right. There's a cheat code to this.
I would hope so.
Nice. You want to see a big waterfall? Yeah, so we won't be able to go look at it directly, but you can feel it.
Okay.
It's that.
Dude, it is. Oh, that's
No, it's not like a pit, but I mean, like it drops down.
Dude, it is blowing so much air right here.
Yep. It's a surface pit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. Yeah, go try to look at it.
Right, I thought you were talking about this thing.
No.
I was going to go look at a waterfall, and I started walking towards this, and I noticed this massive.
They're going in there.
I hear it.
Yeah. Dude, yeah, that's a big waterfall, isn't it?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Dude, the amount of wind coming off of it is insane.
Oh, no. It's a little ridiculous.
We'll see how long the camera can stay clean.
Not long, about half a second.
We'll walk it back off. We'll do it one more time.
So much wind. I'll go check out Ryan. I'm gonna go to Fish Food for his point of being that. Woo.
So you were wanting to rappel into that?
Huh?
You were wanting to rappel into
Yeah.
that? That was crazy, dude.
That's why I was like, no, this is not gonna
That would
happen.
have killed my morale, I think, immediately. Wow, it's crazy. The wind just stops right here.
Yep.
It all comes from the waterfall. Whew. Felt like I was back in Texas.
Yeah.
Dude, they just hearing some of the craziest weather I've ever experienced, man.
Another little waterfall too.
This is what, waterfall number 8?
Dude, I don't even know. There's a lot of them.
This is so dope. Wow, that's a really pretty one.
Dude, look up right here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, here, come over here and look.
That
It
thing's
gets
like,
it's even crazier from right here.
that thing's like barely propped up, bro.
Yeah.
Massive dome above it. Trying to get crushed by this rock, guys.
Yeah.
How much further is this?
This is probably where you're gonna stop.
About 100 foot.
Something like that.
I was gonna say, like, from what I could see, I'm gonna double my wetness if I go that way.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll record y'all climbing through that way.
Alright. We'll be back in a minute.
Alright. I thought I was about to be able to stand up. Absolutely not.
No, opposite.
Well, I think getting a little bit lower on me. Made it on the dry land. Holy cow, dude.
Yeah, dude, this work is fun.
Is it open back up down here?
A little bit.
Nice. Oh, you want to go ahead of me? I'm messing with my camera.
You good? You wanna go swim in a pool right there?
Oh, is that deep?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh.
Dude. Getting lower. Getting a little lower. A little waterfall in right here. There's an in-feed. Old formation shelf right there. You coming?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
A little bit lower.
Dude,
Waterfall coming in the ceiling.
the water may be too high today to keep going.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It's a lot closer to that ceiling.
Like stump out?
No, but you're gonna be pretty much half your face in the water.
Oh, God.
I don't know, I'm kind of curious to see if it gets bigger after this though. I'll go up a little further. I think it's, no, that's definitely. Oh, dude. It definitely gets bigger past this point. We have to come back and dig it though.
What?
It gets bigger, but we will have, wait, hang on, I don't know, man. That's getting tight right there. We'd have to come back with a shovel and dig.
You going, Alex?
Huh?
Are you doing it?
No, it's not doable today.
You getting too much rain?
It gets pretty bad.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, I'm turning around. Four-wheel drive, man.
Yeah, it just got smaller and smaller and the water got higher and higher.
Yeah. No go today. All right. Back at the flow stone. Got to get back down this next to Waterfall. Crawling out. You see the daylight. Back at the big old waterfall. All right, dudes. You know the drill. Extra links down below. Shop Phoenix Lights. Shop How Not To. Helped out the channel. And Jacob, Middle Dude, and Ryan Underground Adventures. We will see y'all in the next one.